Do you want to speak English but don't know where to start? No worries. Today, we have a super fun and easy conversation between two friends who are learning English just like you. In this video, you'll learn simple sentences, daily conversation skills, and gain confidence to speak English naturally. So, watch till the end and practice with us. Let's get started. Hello Rahul, how are you? I am good. How are you? I am also good. What are you doing? I am learning English. Oh, me too. Let's talk in English. Yes, good idea. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. And yours? I like biryani. It is very tasty. Oh wow, I also like biryani. Do you like tea or coffee? I like tea, but sometimes I drink coffee. What about you? I love tea. Every morning, I drink tea. Same here. What do you do in your free time? I watch movies and listen to music. Nice. Which movies do you like? I like comedy movies. They are very funny. Oh, I also like comedy. It makes me happy. Haha. We like the same things. Yes, talking in English is fun. Yes, we will talk every day and improve. Good idea. Let's practice more tomorrow. Yes, see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and you'll be fluent in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English conversations. See you in the next video.